Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about decluttering your bedroom. You know, your bedroom is your private oasis. It's not a crash pad for your kids. It's not a place where you throw your dirty laundry or your laundry that needs to be folded or the boxes of things that you want to get out of the living room before the neighbors come over. It's a place where you can relax and enjoy your private time. So what I'd like you to do this week is to work on that room for 4 15-minute periods. Pick 4 things that need decluttering and work on one for 15 minutes, the next day 15, the next day 15, the last day 15, and have a day off. If you're a payroll homemaker, you can do that in 1 hour on Saturday morning. But work on it. Put a dent in it. Take a before and after picture. And remember that the end that you have in mind is that this is a private oasis.